Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to change security questions in Scotiabank app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to change security questions in Scotiabank app, the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up the Scotiabank application, and then once you're inside, simply tap on sign in at the bottom, and then once that's done, you'll be prompted to this page. Enter in your username or card number and tap on continue. Then you'll be prompted to enter your password, and once you have entered the password, you'll be logged into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on more icon right here on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is select profile from the top. Then once you're inside profile, select privacy and security, and once you're inside here, you will find an option that says change security questions. Simply tap on that, and now select security questions. You may be asked to enter your password, and now next is to choose new questions and answers. Select new questions and enter your new answers, and once done, simply tap on save or confirm, and your security questions are updated immediately. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.